A heat pump works like the refrigerator in your kitchen, but in reverse. A fridge extracts heat from foods and transports the heat to the heat exchanger at the back of the fridge. Now imagine that the heat exchanger is underfloor heating and the heat pump removes stored solar energy from the soil, the air or the groundwater and transmits it to the heating system in the house. So quite simple. In order for the heat pump to work, it needs energy. You can roughly calculate the energy consumption in the ratio 5:1, i.e. for every part of operating power, you gain up to 5 parts of free environmental energy. If you use this green electricity, then you are doing something for our climate. And you become independent of oil and gas. And that's great. Join us again at Stiebel Eltron. There's lots to see and lots to learn, and plenty of room for good ideas. Stiebel Eltron. Feel good technology.